What you're about to witness is not a collection of aggressive animals attacking without reason. These are moments when wild elephants, the largest land mammals on Earth, act on instinct, fear, or the need to protect their territory and families. In this video, you'll see an elephant use its incredible strength to push over a reinforced concrete fence as if it were made of paper. You'll witness a shocking confrontation between an elephant and a rhinoceros with its calf, where two of Africa's most powerful animals clash in a battle of dominance. You'll also see elephants wandering into villages, leaving destruction in their wake as frightened residents scramble for safety. And you'll watch terrifying moments when enraged elephants attack vehicles, crushing metal with astonishing ease. For many people, elephants are symbols of wisdom and gentleness, but their enormous size and unpredictable behavior mean that even playful encounters can quickly become unforgettable.
That's not funny, that's terrifying.
Without warning, the elephant presses against one side of the safari vehicle. A loud creaking sound can be heard as the vehicle shifts, leaving everyone inside completely still. After a few tense moments, it loses interest, turns around, and quietly walks away. Roads that cut through forests make travel easier for people, but they also pass directly through the natural home of wild elephants. When these two worlds meet, unexpected encounters are almost inevitable. Another clip captures a tense encounter as a driver desperately reverses while a large elephant stays close beside the vehicle, keeping its head pressed against the side of the car. For several anxious moments, there seems to be no easy escape. Few wildlife experiences are more intimidating than coming face to face with a wild elephant. Despite their calm appearance, these giants are more than capable of overpowering a vehicle if they feel the need to. Wildlife experts explain that elephants may approach vehicles for a variety of reasons. They can be curious, protective of their personal space, or attempting to encourage an object they perceive as an obstacle to move away. Destruction is already underway as a massive elephant continues battering a car with astonishing force. Each powerful shove reveals just how effortlessly an elephant can overpower a vehicle. One striking detail is the chain hanging from the elephant's body. While the footage doesn't reveal why it's there, the encounter is a powerful reminder that an elephant's immense strength always deserves caution and respect. Fear spreads quickly as people run for safety, while a wild elephant charges through a wooded area near where they live. Fortunately, everyone manages to keep their distance, and no one appears to be injured. Panic breaks out as a large elephant moves into a populated area, sending people rushing for cover. As residents scramble to stay out of its way, the elephant knocks over several parked scooters, leaving damage in its wake. Some people attempt to drive the elephant away, but confronting an animal of this size can be extremely dangerous. A massive elephant calmly makes its way across a river, using its powerful legs and buoyant body to reach the opposite bank. Everything appears peaceful as the giant slowly nears the shoreline. But just as it's about to climb out of the water, a crocodile suddenly lunges from the river, attempting to grab the elephant's trunk. The attack is brief, and the elephant's enormous size proves too much for the predator to handle, allowing it to continue on its way. Not every terrifying elephant encounter involves humans. Sometimes the greatest threat to an elephant comes from another elephant. In this dramatic footage, two powerful bull elephants clash in a contest of strength and dominance. With locked tusks and tremendous force, each giant pushes against the other, refusing to back down. These intense battles are a natural part of elephant behavior, often occurring when males compete for territory, social status, or the opportunity to mate. Not every wild elephant encounter is filled with danger. Some reveal the gentler side of these remarkable animals. In this heartwarming scene, young elephants stay close together under the watchful eyes of the herd. These simple interactions reveal the strong social bonds that begin forming from an early age, helping young elephants learn and grow within the safety of their family herd. Even within the safety of a herd, young elephants are never completely free from danger. While their mothers and other adults work together to protect them, determined predators are always watching for moments of vulnerability. In these heartbreaking scenes, a pride of lions targets vulnerable elephant calves. While some are rescued by their mothers, others are not as fortunate, reminding us that survival in the wild is never guaranteed. As we've seen throughout this video, elephants can be powerful, unpredictable, and at times truly terrifying. But they are also intelligent, social, and capable of remarkable interactions with both their own kind and humans. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay updated with our future content. Check out our other videos, and thanks for watching.